All right. Thank you everyone for coming. I said we're going to wait till 10 minutes after 3 for the people that have not yet joined. So we'll start now. Um, I will share my screen shortly. Yeah. So if you cannot see my screen, please let me know. Okay, so I think this is our first meeting where everyone is coming around together instead of just um, back end or just front end or just design or something. So basically about today's presentation, today is like a choke point basically. So if we successfully show adequate progress of our work, we will continue to be in our team and will continue to work on this MedLocator project. If we do not show enough progress or if they are dissatisfied, then our team will be disbanded and everybody will be scattered to new teams. So how the presentation, from what I heard from the project manager, how the presentation is going to go is that um, we are going to be showing our live sites basically, not just not just not we won't be showing any slides or any documentation. It will be our hosted app that will be showing them. And as at now, our front end has been hosted at this site. I dropped the link on the project channel, so you can take a look at it. Um, this is our basic site on the front end. A lot of buttons don't work, so I've asked. I'll be working with the front end devs to make sure that um, the buttons actually work. If the buttons work and someone can, let's even leave the patient side, a pharmacy owner can register and log in. Once it is integrated with the backend and someone can register and log in and maybe log out by the time for presentation today, I think it's good enough to show that we have been working, we have done something on our product. Now, the backend, the API um, has also been hosted on Heroku and is up and running. I have provided documentation for its usage, basically. So for now, we only have three options available: just register, login, and log out. I will be working on uh, cleaning up the code and backend devs. Please, you would have to like document your APIs using this format I created. So what you guys would do is in this docs folder, you will create a new folder and call it the name of the this thing you worked with, whether you worked with um, authentication is not needed since it's already here. Okay, yeah. Okay. So authentication, manual worked on authentication. So the people that worked on store and draw, so you guys will like create a folder and document your routes. I gave the guide basically on the backend group chat. So that's that on that. So for the presentation, by the time for presentation is 9 p.m. and I'm hoping that we would have integrated the backend and the front end. If our register, sign up, sign in, and sign out are working properly, then we can even enable more functionality from the back end. Everything is ready to go and all of that. So I just hope we will successfully scale through this and um, we will finish up on our work. For the designers, you guys, I was told that you people should um pause basically for now because after today we might not be a team any longer. But it's but we can't do that because this is not actually our final front end design. So for people that are working on the integration, the API integration, I think they're creating new pages. So that's basically it for the meeting. That's all I wanted to share. If anybody did not hear me at any time, please feel free to speak. If you have any questions, you can ask now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is designer lead. Yes, me.
All right.
You mentioned something about the designers pausing for now on their work.
Yeah.
So we are not supposed to be doing anything for now.
Yeah. Normally, like
Presentation.
if um if we had finished, if designers had finished all the work on the front end pages, then you could have paused your work. But since um these are not the final designs, if you guys can get it done today, then please go ahead and finish up. If you can't, then just don't bother for now.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So any other questions?
Please, I have another question.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
The Google form link you sent,
Yeah.
is the part where we're going to paste our the link of what we worked on. Are you going to paste only for the web app? You know you did web app and mobile app. Are you going to paste for only the web app or for the mobile app too?
Please paste the mobile app now. That's what you guys have been working on since. You have to show
Yes.
that you actually that you have not just been playing since the beginning of the project phase now. So all
Okay.
the design screens each designer designed, please attribute your work to yourself.
Okay.
It's not the form is not from me, it's actually from the top. If you guys check the design channel, project PM design channel, you will see the
Yeah.
form there. I just like
Yeah.
voice it to you guys on WhatsApp. So please make sure you
Okay.
mention the mobile as well, because mobile is actually a big deal. I was hoping the mobile lead would be present here so we can talk about whether we can also demonstrate our mobile app because they've also
Okay.
implemented something. So, but it's not around, so we don't have. I'll just get back to everyone later on that matter.
No problem.
All right.
Thank you.
So, okay. Umi is around. So, uh, I was just telling them, Umi, that you'll be working on integrating the APIs with what we currently have. And if you want to update any pages, then go ahead and do so. While backend devs will be working on documentation and cleaning up our API. So I think that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for coming. Any last comments? None. Okay. So that's the end. So we can close this. If anything new comes up as the day goes by, I will let everyone know about it.